Before even getting to the heart of it, I want to stress that Bluetooth headphones and Bluetooth earbuds are incomparable to wired headphones and wired earbuds. And the elimination of the headphone jack from modern phones has caused music listeners to be deprived of how they should actually enjoy music. And I didn't even realize it until I was using wired headphones to listen to music on my computer. And the difference in the quality was so stark that I knew I had to find my old iPod and get some more quality wired earbuds and use it again. So I cannot stress enough how many more sounds you hear when using wired headphones. Okay, so that's one thing, right? We've known for a long time that streaming and subscription services are solely profit-driven and do not care about users actually being able to own the media that they pay for. And I fell into subscribing to Spotify. I thought it was very convenient, and I was also using my Bluetooth earbuds, and it was nice to not have wired headphones or get tangled up in them on the go, and then to also be informed when new music was being released and immediately be able to enjoy it and, download it offline. But Spotify sucks, and Spotify has only continued to suck over the years. This isn't just about, Spotify stealing the work of an intern in order to implement Spotify Wrapped, which is a universally enjoyable and loved feature. This isn't just about Spotify being one of the worst services in terms of compensating their artists. This isn't even really about AI music, which is terrible. The cherry on top is that the CEO, that I have no nice words to describe, is investing nearly $700 million in AI military defense technology, which we all know means killing innocent people with robots. And dude already looks like Lex Luthor. So with all this news that's come out, and also seeing how many artists are taking a stand and removing their music from Spotify in the wake of these incredibly unethical practices, I'm here to show you my iPod that I modded using Rockbox. And any modding guide, once again, that I followed will be linked in the description. Yeah, I had to get heated. So this is my 120 gigabyte iPod Classic. It was a lot simpler to modify than the DSi, which is great, but you don't need an Apple device in order to synchronize music onto it. This is completely removed from iTunes and Apple Music. The only thing you need to do is download a version of it in order to modify it, but afterwards, it turns your iPod into basically a flash drive. So you can drag and drop any MP3 files onto it and organize it however you want. So if you press that button, it'll create a whole database for you that will then allow you to search for songs by artist, album, song title, and it's great. I would say around 1,600 songs on it. I didn't use an Apple laptop to modify this iPod. I had to download an old version of iTunes from the Microsoft Store onto my Windows laptop and then go from there. These are nail stickers, and I got a clear case off AliExpress. I made a little charm, which was kind of me improvising, so I cut a piece of plastic into a circle and then put 2 slits in it so that I could loop the lanyard. It's a little intensive, it's a little unnecessary. You'll notice right away that there are really cool themes that you can install. And it changes just the layout, the songs that are playing, and there's a quick menu. So I can change the brightness, I can use repeat, or crossfade, and shuffle, all in that quick menu. I'll show you some other themes too. So this is the base theme, not much to it. You can also mix and match what part of a theme you want for your now playing screen and what part you want just for regular menus. This theme that I'm loading, I went crazy with because originally all this was orange, and then I looked at the individual image files and I set the saturation to 0, and then I recolored it blue so that it would match my Cinnamoroll stickers because I'm mentally deranged. Here's the now playing screen, which is actually a wide pod theme. And so it actually lets the album cover take up the whole screen. It's cool. Pretty cool, okay. There's also one here that looks like the original iPod Classic. Which again, I set the colors to blue. But, you know, nostalgic. The sad part is that with Rockbox, you can't play original iPod Classic games because it's a completely different firmware. But, on the upside, there is a whole host of games that you can play. This includes 2048. I showed my friend this, and this is what motivated her to get an iPod. You can play Doom on your iPod. Is it practical? Are the controls easy? No. But let me just show you. So this is moving side to side. Okay. Change your view. You shoot. Oh, that's not how you shoot. Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh. Okay, I've never gotten a kill, so this is actually impressive. Never gotten this far. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh, my gun. My gun. This game is very generous. Am I dying? I didn't even see you. Rockbox allows you to play with the equalizer and just generally play with your like bass and treble, and it also allows you to play lossless audio, which I don't know how you get. I'm being completely honest. But once again, however you get your music, when you put it on your iPod, they sound so good. These earbuds are also amazing, so I'm gonna have them linked down below. I'm not affiliated for anything. Like this is a new channel, baby. Like I have no connections. And until next time, thank you for watching. Okay, I'm gonna, before even really getting to the heart of it, okay, I cannot stress. Whew. It's been okay. No, I don't know how to start this video. Also, and I'm which is bad. When you this, I don't know how to say correct words. I'm gonna try to edit it down so I don't sound like I'm on a soapbox the majority of this video, but I have to say these things, okay? I have to say these things. What's happening?